Welcome back to Elevate Furnishing. Today, I'm taking you on a cozy Christmas living room tour filled with warm lights, soft textures, and Amazon decor you can easily recreate at home. If you love budget-friendly Christmas styling ideas, make sure you hit subscribe, and check the description for all Amazon product links. Alright, let's step into the cozy glow. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to subscribe for more amazing decoration ideas like this. As we enter the space, the first thing you'll notice is the warm ambient lighting. I've used warm white LED string lights draped along the curtain rod to instantly set a soft, magical atmosphere. These lights are energy efficient and come with 8 modes, perfect for customizing the vibe. Next, I added a faux eucalyptus and berry garland around the doorway. It adds a classic Christmas touch without needing daily care. All links are listed below if you want the exact same look. Now let's talk about the heart of the room, the Christmas tree. This year, I went for a 6.5-foot pre-lit artificial spruce. The branches look incredibly realistic and the built-in warm lights keep the tree looking elegant. For ornaments, I used a red-gold themed set that comes with matte, glossy, glitter, and patterned pieces. To add texture, I mixed in velvet ribbon bows, wooden snowflakes, and tiny LED clip lights. And don't forget the base. A woven rattan tree collar truly completes the cozy farmhouse look. If you prefer neutral or modern themes, I'll link alternative ornament sets in the description too. After the tree, let's move to my favorite cozy corner, the sofa. I layered it with chunky knit throw blankets, faux fur pillows, and a sweet, merry and bright, lumbar cushion. These textures instantly warm up the space and make the room feel more inviting. For those chilly evenings, I added an electric throw blanket with adjustable heat settings, perfect for movie nights. Everything you see here is from Amazon and super budget friendly. If you have a fireplace or even a faux one, this is where the magic truly happens. I decorated the mantel with LED flameless pillar candles, a pine cone plus berry garland, small ceramic Christmas houses with tiny lights, and of course, knit stockings hanging on satin hooks. These pieces add layers of warm light and cozy charm without overpowering the room. The flameless candles are especially great. They flicker like real flames but are completely safe for kids and pets. On the coffee table, I kept things simple but festive. I used a round wooden tray, added a mini Christmas tree, a scented vanilla candle, and a holiday mug filled with candy canes. Simple, affordable, and perfect for creating that inviting Christmas mood. The tray also keeps everything looking organized rather than cluttered. To finish the room, I added a plaid area rug for warmth, frosted window stickers for a wintry effect, a twinkling LED curtain light behind the sofa, and a soft Christmas playlist playing in the background. These small details bring everything together and make the living room feel like a winter retreat. Thank you so much for joining my cozy Christmas living room tour. All the Amazon products featured in this video are linked below. Feel free to check them out before they sell out during the holiday rush. If you enjoyed the tour, give this video a like, subscribe for more Christmas decor finds, and comment below. Which corner of the room was your favorite? See you in the next Christmas Magic Finds video. Happy decorating, and Merry Christmas!